It's good morning once again. My name is Chance David Akiki. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we shall be looking at Excel, more of Excel functions. Assume you have your data like this. You have put it in Excel, and you would wish your data to be in a table format. How do you do that one? Excel it provides us with very important and powerful tools to do that. To do Excel tables, you just come and highlight your data. You select the data, then you just press the button on your computer called Control and 1, Control 1. So when you click and you press Control 1, it will bring you this dialog box. When it brings you this dialog box, you can be able to choose. So you click on the border. When you click on the border, then you can be able to fill this border box the way you're seeing this box. You come and select which style you want to use. Maybe you want to use this one. Then you come and put this one. You click on this one, select to put a line on top. You also click on this one to put the line by the right, also by the left, sorry, down horizontally. Then you press on this one to put in between. You put in the middle, and you put this one at the end. So once you have filled this box, you can just click OK. And when you click OK, you'll be able to see that everything here is put under the table. So you have created your table. It did not create here because we didn't select that part, but you can reselect and you go back and follow the same procedure. So once all that one is done, maybe here you can just say total, and you'd wish to get the sum. I'd wish to get maybe the sum of everything here. How do I get the sum? We just say equal signs, then you write the word sum. Excel will automatically detect and it brings it. You can just press the button, Ctrl Z, you say equal signs, you write sum, and then you press the tab button on your computer. Tab. There's a button called tab by the left after the caps lock. You just press tab. It will bring the sum and it puts the bracket like this. Then you click in the first box of whose items, in the first cell. We call it a cell, Excel cell. You click in the first cell, then it will say B2. Then you press shift and you put double dots. Those ones are called colon. You can remove the B2. Then you move down up to the last item, up to December. You select. Then once you select everything and everything is okay, you just press the button tab. Also, you again press the button tab. Therefore, this is the total, or it is the sum of all these items which were sold in December, product A. So once you're done with product A, that is sum. You can also go ahead and get maybe average. You can get average for product A. You say equal signs, then you write average. You don't even finish it. You select it is here. Then you press tab. Average, you want average for this cell B2. You put your columns there. Then you again come and put December, which is B13. You just press tab. It gets for you the average for product A. Then after, you can also go ahead and get the maximum, the highest product, the highest month, the month which you got highest returns. Maybe you can say equal sums, then you write max. Then for it will bring you the maximum function is here. You select it and press the button tab on your laptop or on your computer. Then you select from January. You put your columns. You can do it a B. Then you go up to December. Then you again press tab. Therefore, for it will be in a position to get for you 300 being the maximum. Sorry, it is 3000, meaning that in December, if you can go through manually, you'll see it is December which recorded the highest number of sales, maybe, and that is 3000, which is true logically. If you go through all these months, you'll find that it is December. Then you can also get minimum. We say equal signs, then you just say mean. When you press on mean, it selects for you mean here. Excel has all these formulas predefined. Then you just say tab button on your computer. and thereafter you select from January, that is the cell B2, you put your colons, then you can delete this B2 which has repeated. You come up to December, you select December also, then you can press tab. It gets you minimum. It is saying that the minimum product which was sold, the minimum month which sold very few products of A was January, and this is the minimum. And if you have to go through manually, you can really find that January recorded the smallest sales of product A, and that was 1200 shillings. Therefore, you can also create a different table for this, or you can also go ahead and do for all these products here, product C, then you can come and get total sales. Total sales, that is the sum of everything under here. Then I think we are done. Yeah, we are done. Maybe if you want to add a heading, you can just add a column there. How do I add, sorry, a row? How do I add a row? You just come and select the upper row. You just right click, then you say insert. I want to insert a column, a row there. I insert a row. I can even insert another one. I can even insert the second one when there are two. If you want to add the title, just come and make sure that I select these. I select these two rows that I have added. Then I go to home. I click on merge and center. You merge and center. Sorry, it has not merged. I click on merge and center. So when I click on merge and center, I will come and find that it has the two columns that I selected. They don't have the cells. Therefore, I can be able to write there. I can say 2026 product sales. This is my heading. I can select my heading, then I give it a bigger size compared to these other ones, or I can just come and copy this, or I can cut it from here, Ctrl X, then I come and paste it in slightly in the middle like this. Then I can also extend my heading if I want to match where my data is. You just play around with these tools. You can just play around. I don't want to keep this recording so long. I want to stop here. I'll come back and we'll look at the insert. Yeah, we'll come back and look at the insert tab. We'll look at how we can apply shapes, how we can draw charts, maybe pie charts, these bar graphs, and all that. Thank you so much. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.